Day 16. Cool blues. Woo! Oh, gotta love that line. Woo! Nice. If you haven't transcribed Charlie Parker yet, this might be a great solo to start on. Don't forget about that blues language. One more time. He uses really beautiful phrasing. He uses great blues language, as we've heard. He uses great bebop language, as he always does. Check out this voice leading. Woo! Going, walking that down. Beautiful. It's a really nice entry solo if you've never transcribed anything for Bird before. 2 choruses of cool blues coming at you. Cool. Woo! Enjoy it, have fun, stay cool. I'll see you tomorrow. Later.